state to continue with Huduma Number plans. The government intends to roll out measures to forge ahead with its plans on implementing the new identification digital platform famously known as Huduma Number. Despite concerns on data security, infringement on the right to privacy and discrimination being cited as the key issues surrounding the National Integrated Identity System, NIIMS, the government says it now has the leeway to proceed with its plans following the court's decision. In a statement, Interior PS Karunji Kibicho said the government will now implement legislation, policies and a regulatory framework for Kenyans to finally acquire a Huduma Number and Huduma card. The government now has the legal mandate and backing to continue providing dignified services to Kenyans in a timely, improved and effective manner, said Dr. Kibicho. On Thursday, High Court judges Pauline Mumbi Ngugi and Weldon Koro ruled that the process must be done within proper legislation. However, according to lawyer Wakwa Wanioik, the court's decision was not satisfactory on the concerns touching on data security, infringement on the right to privacy and discrimination. However, he says, the fact that the court compelled the government to legislate laws that would ensure data security and exclusion does not occur, is a good place to start if concerns relating to the breach of security which could find private and sensitive data in the wrong hands, are anything to go by. We appreciate the orders issued especially on the caution on data, but the court should have done more to ensure there is judicial supervision on the government, Mr. Wakwa said. He adds, we feel there are issues which the court failed to appreciate, like how important it is to develop solid legislation on such a technical issue. Utility will not outweigh negative implications. When the program first came into the limelight last year and even before it was officially launched, there were various concerns on whether Huduma Number was directly linked to Satanic Code 666. Some, Christians included, opted not to be registered because of fear of linking themselves to Satanism, while others just chose to keep away from that which was perceived to be a mere government ploy that involved use of taxpayers' money unnecessarily. But President Kenyatta came out to clear the air while explaining that there was no connection between biblical references indicated in Revelations 13:18 and Huduma Number. Those who support NIIMS say it is a positive step towards fighting crime, managing personal data and weeding out ghost workers, besides government's plan to make it easy for Kenyans to access acquisition of necessary documents as well as services. Whilst digitization of records can improve efficiencies in registration and increase data quality, the petitioners in the case claimed that the country does not have legislation or policy on data protection. They told court that there would be a breach to the right to privacy as information relating to family or private affairs may be required to be revealed. They claimed that the legislation of Huduma Number systems does not provide for a transition mechanism from the current regime, hence taxpayers could easily find themselves exposed to unfair inconveniences and would result to coercion and blackmail for personal information in exchange for constitutional guaranteed rights.